I don't have to hire a marketing agency in order to promote my business. I have this amazing template forwarded to thousands of my customers automatically without getting my WhatsApp number banned. And the best way to promote is through WhatsApp messages because I will not check my emails all the time, but I definitely will open my WhatsApp and see the messages that is coming in my account. You can also send such amazing messages safely on WhatsApp without trespassing any rules, and you can create this template and set up this entire thing without need of any technical coding and programming skills through one amazing software that is Pabbly Chatflow. And in this video, I'll show you that how you can also start using WhatsApp as a marketing tool in your business. So if you want to access Pabbly Chatflow, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow. You will come to the landing page of this software just like this. I've been using Pabbly Chatflow for more than a year now. I have used this platform to market my business the best way possible. Pabbly Chatflow is an official partner with Meta. That is why it's safe to use for your business as well. I am already a user, so I've signed into my Pabbly Chatflow account directly from the landing page. But if you're logging in for the first time and you want to test how Pabbly Chatflow is, how it is going to work, sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free credits. Using the credits, test out the features. And then if you want to purchase our yearly or one-time plans of Pabbly Chatflow, purchase our plans. I'll suggest you to purchase our one-time plans because you need to pay once and get the lifetime access forever. And if you are planning to do so, I'm going to give you this amazing code that will give you the maximum discount ever. And using the code, you will get the amazing discount and you can purchase our plans. So go ahead, use the code on the left side of my screen, ANGYT. The same code is in the description section. Go ahead and use it. Now, I'm going to show you how with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can send the promotional WhatsApp messages just like this. Now, first of all, if you want to learn how you can set up your entire Pabbly Chatflow account, how you can add your number and everything, what are the features, how all the features works, check out all the video links added in the description section below. Now to send a promotional WhatsApp message using this software, firstly you need to create a template. Now to create a template, go to this add template button. Now select the category. Marketing is the category, I'll select it. Name your template accordingly in lowercase without space, and then select the language in which you are creating the template. If you are adding a variable in the template, select the type of the variable, name or number. And now we have to select the template type. Now I am going to send a message with an image template just like this. So that is why I'm going to go back and select the template type as image from here. But if you want to attach a video, document or any other template, you can definitely do that according to your requirement. Next, it is asking for the template format, the text. So enter the text right over here according to your requirement, whatever you want. You will see the preview just like this right here. And then enter the footer text according to you. It will be visible just like this. After entering the details, if you want to add in the interactive actions in the template that you're creating, add from here and submit the template. As soon as you will do that, the template is going to be created. I have created a template in front of you. You can see this is the message I want to send for my business, that is Bloom and Bell, and this is the entire promotional message I want to send with the image header. As now the template will be created, you will see first of all the status is going to be pending, and if Meta approves the template, yeah, it's a safe template to send, the status will be updated as approved. Now as now the status is updated as approved, now let's use this template to send messages to thousands of customers at once as a marketing strategy. For sending the messages at once in bulk, we have this amazing feature of broadcast. Select the option broadcast and click on this add broadcast button. Now guys, let's select the broadcast together. I'll select the type over here as broadcast campaign. The name of my broadcast is Bloom and Bella. So I'll select over here, this is the name. For the next step, we have to select the contact list. In the contact section of my Pabbly Chatflow account, if I'll open it on a new tab, to segment my different contacts, you have to create a contact list from this section. I have created the list right here, and among the list, this is the list to whom I want to send the promotional message to. So you can select the contact list. Either you can select all the contact list from here, you can select the specific contact list from here, or you just have to select one list. So select that list right over here. I have this list created, so I'll select it from here. Now if you want to refine your audience, exclude the contact list from the drop down, exclude some specific contact from the drop down, you can definitely do that. Now next we have to select the message type. My personal choice right now is to select the pre-approved template, but if you have not created a template, you want to enter regular message, select the type, enter the details according to your requirement right here. But I will select the pre-approved template from here. Now in this section only we have to enter the image that I want to send. I'll upload the image right here inside my Pabbly Chatflow account and click on this done button. You will see the preview of the template right here directly. Now let's test this broadcast. My name is Simple User, so I'll enter my name and I'm going to enter my phone number and test this broadcast from here. As soon as I'll do that, it will say test broadcast sent. So let it load first and you will see it says test broadcast sent, and you will see I have received this new message on my WhatsApp. This is how the message is going to look like on your customer's phone. So this is how you can test out the broadcast as well. Now after doing that, now we have the option of either we can schedule the broadcast or send the message instantly. I want to schedule this broadcast for later because I want to send this promotional message after 15 days from today. So I'm going to select the date right here, that is 8th of August at 12 p.m. the message should be forwarded. So I'll select the date and time. Now automatically retry on failed contacts. If you want that, there are some of the contacts failed due to some reason. If you want to automatically retry, you can toggle the button on right here accordingly. But I don't want that, so I'll skip the part and simply add the broadcast from here. Now as soon as I'll do that, you will see Bloom and Bella's broadcast has been successfully scheduled for August 8, 2026 at 12 p.m. and this message is going to be forwarded to them. If you want to see the preview, I've tested it. You can see this is the preview of the message. So this is how you automatically market your business on WhatsApp without even hiring any agency. You can create this setup. You saw there were no technical coding and programming skills required to create this entire campaign. Now if you have any questions or doubts related to this entire setup that I taught you in this video, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to purchase our yearly or one-time plans, use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant and amazing discounts. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.